I'm so pleased to be here, and thank you, Shri Manoj Bhai, for being here with us. And at TJSCI, we feel very encouraged by your presence, and Prem Bhai keeps telling us and reminding us at the board that government is absolutely committed to skill development. There is a difference between education and skill, and I think the government is very focused on developing skill which will develop or which will generate employment. मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में what do you all prefer, English और हिंदी? मिक्स ओके। मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में कई सालों से हूँ, ऑलमोस्ट 25-27 साल हो गए हैं। एंड मेरा इनिशियल जो इंट्रोडक्शन था वो डायमंड में था। इन लास्ट 8 years आई हैव बीन ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व्ड अ लॉट विद द ज्वेलरी डोमेस्टिक इंडस्ट्री। और मेरा ये मानना है दैट जेमस्टोन कटिंग इंडस्ट्री में तो ग्रोथ काफ़ी था, जो पहले शायद वी हैव the Indian industry and globally I think the cutting industry has kind of reached a very matured level. But जब हम ज्वेलरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की बात करते हैं तो उसमें बहुत स्कोप है, और स्पेशली हम इंडिया में जो ज्वेलरी की हमारी ट्रेडिशन है, when we look around, whether we go to any of the southern states or eastern states, western Gujarat आप देख लीजिए, हिमाचल प्रदेश also has some beautiful tribal jewelry from eastern region, from Calcutta, Cuttack. Yesterday I was very pleasantly surprised. Cuttack भुवनेश्वर में चांदी की बहुत ही फाइन बारीकी से काम की हुई चीज़ें बनती है। अनफॉर्चुनेटली मार्केट में वो ज़्यादा अवेलेबल नहीं है फॉर वॉट एवर रीज़न। Yesterday I saw a Bengali jeweler with his wife, and she was wearing gold beautiful Cuttack pendant. तो मैंने बोला अरे ये तो बहुत ही beautiful है, तो बोला हम Cuttack में specially करवाते हैं। The point is that skill, that कारीगरी जो है, that is not, we are not able to really multiply, and I think that is where GJSCI can really play a very important role to identify the areas, the skills which will help us to really grow the industry, expand the industry, not just domestically, I think even in exports. Because even जो अब हमारे यहाँ jewelry manufacturing होता है, we really don't yet use very modern processes, और उसमें कोई किसी को दोष देने जैसा नहीं है। someone has understood, वो अपने बेटे को सिखाते हैं, बेटियों को सिखाते हैं, and they keep working. And I think the GJSCI can play a really important role by defining की process कैसे है, how can you upgrade. Or what happens is that we learn in a particular set of tools and equipments or processes, and with technology everything keeps improving. And I think कारीगरों को एक opportunity चाहिए, एक platform चाहिए, so that they can upgrade themselves relatively easily within a short time frame and cost effectively. And I think GJSCI is determined to identify these areas, and all of you who are here, be their employer, be their employees, I think we would really request you to come forward and say these are the areas in which we think we need more help. And although no one knows everything, I don't think we claim that we know everything, so we would be more than happy to receive these suggestions. And GJSCI has developed various national occupation standards, so we can even get new areas and develop standards in that. And in my opinion, jewelry manufacturing really presents a great opportunity, right from designing, merchandising, selling, manufacturing, how to do quality control, very small fine things, and I think there is a huge scope. So I really urge all of you to take advantage of the portal once you have taken this training, but please do support this. It is for good of the industry, and if all of us contribute, work together, we can make this better. This platform and this skilling program is for all of us, and it will only work if all of us work together as a team and contribute, ask what we want, and use what we have available. So thank you.